Hello everyone! I'm thrilled to have you here on this channel, where we explore must-have Amazon products that make your daily life easier. Every product is carefully tested to provide you with honest and insightful reviews. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Electric Cheese Grater, a multifunctional kitchen tool designed to make your cooking effortless. This device grates cheese, slices vegetables, and chops fruits with ease, helping you prepare delicious meals in no time. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's built for efficiency, durability, and convenience. This grater is incredibly versatile, whether you're making salads, grating cheese for pizzas, or chopping fruits for desserts. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and safety, while its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or even camping trips. Plus, it's easy to clean, so you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time on chores. The Electric Cheese Grater is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their daily cooking. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to order yours today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon for another amazing Amazon product review.